Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week, as promised, after the episode about the croque madame and the croque monsieur, I will do my version and I will call it the croque madame because my name is Dan and it's gonna be my version and it's croque madame. Alright, the ingredients are unsalted butter, sourdough bread, eggs, Gruyere cheese, rosemary ham, lemon, sage, and chives. I forgot my knife upstairs, so let's start this. We will use the sourdough bread. I'm sure I can cut better than that. Got it. Nope. Concentrate now. Okay, 1 and 2. Oh, got it. You might say, hey bro, if you can cut bread correctly, you gonna teach me how to do the cooking? It is what it is. You know who is best friends forever? Bread and butter. Let's cut a generous amount of butter. Coat the bread on both sides. Grill only one side. The other side will be grilled in the oven later. While the bread is toasting in the pan, preheat your oven at 400 Fahrenheit and let's talk about this cheese. Last week I said take Gruyere from France and some people say, hey bro, Gruyere is from Swiss. Yeah, you're right, but this is Comté. It's from France and it's the French Gruyere. So everyone is right. Yay. This one is nicely toasted. Let's remove this. Let's assemble this. So toast side up. Let's put some cheese, Gruyere, Comté. Call it what you want. This is a rosemary ham, which is incredibly delicious in a croque madame. Now let's put some more cheese. This is okay, not my best grill bread, but it will do the trick. Add some more cheese. Put this little baby in the oven that you preheat at 400 Fahrenheit. While the sandwich is grilling in the oven, let's work on the hollandaise. For the hollandaise, we need fresh eggs, and we need only the yolk. Whoo, this one was cracked. Wonder what's happening. What I'm doing, I need the yolk. Wow, I think I need vacation. Whoop. Wow. 2, 3, and 4. We will need some juice of a lemon. Just a little bit to brighten the hollandaise. Salt, not too much, and pepper, a little bit like this. Butter, about a quarter cup, maybe a tiny bit more, in a saucepan. What we are doing here is melting the butter and then browning the butter. This will add more complex nutty flavor in the butter. You need to be careful not to burn the butter. So at medium heat, you will stir the butter until it become caramelized in color. When we are getting close from browning, put the sage leaf in it and stir the butter and the sage. I promise you the smell of this is out of this world. The minute the butter start to brown, remove it from the heat because you will have a residual heat. Put this on a bain-marie and we need to whisk constantly. So this part is very crucial because when you're making hollandaise, you don't want to make scrambled eggs. So too much heat will turn those eggs in a solid state and you cannot come back from this. When you will put the butter, same thing, you don't want the butter to be very hot. It will do the same thing to the egg yolk. So let's transfer this here for easiest pouring. Let's just remove the sage, keep it. Those crispy sage are very good. Whisk and add the butter just a little bit, because adding too much butter at the same time will break the hollandaise. You cannot unbroke a broken hollandaise, so be careful. The hollandaise will thicken over time. The more warm it will be, the more thickness it will form. I hope my doctor is not watching my channel. Let's use the rest of the brown butter in a pan and fry one egg sunny side up. I want to overcook this egg. I want the white to be cooked but the yolk to be still very runny. So just baste a little bit your egg like this. It needs to drizzle on the side. That way you know you did a good job. Remember, we still have those crunchy sage. Finally, the fried egg. And for those looking for a healthy option, put some green on top of it. Crack some peppercorn. Voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, please leave a like on the video. It makes a big difference for the channel. See you in the next episode.